Hey guys, Assalamualaikum and good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna do a quick review on Lego Batman Selina Kyle Motorcycle Pursuit Set number 76179, which I bought at RM 70 ringgit lah, 69.90 at Toys R Us. Ni retail price dia lah. Dekat Shopee, dekat online pun harga sama macam ni. So basically this is a quick look at the box. You have this promotional shot right in front. Look at two figure, Batman and Selina Kyle. Then there's a nice image of Batman right over here. Sorry kalau tak ada terkoyak sebab yelah aku buka ni. And then atas ni you have Bruce Wayne, and bawah ni nothing much, just this, and behind you have another promotional image and shot of the set itself. So without further ado, let's go and unbox this. Let's see what it comes lah. First we're gonna see the figure. So basically, like I said, it comes with two figure, Batman and Selina Kyle. So we're gonna take a look at Batman first. Okay, so design is basically nice lah. Brand new torso, and there's leg printing, but they use the same cowl from the 2012 I think. Maybe dah lama lagi daripada tu lah, tapi cowl lama lah. Maksudnya macam Batman v Superman kan, dia punya telinga tu lagi pendek kan, tapi ni cowl lama. But I do like the cape. The cape is new, and they use soft material. And then there's this back printing right over here. And for the accessories, he comes with Batarang and also grappling hook, but grappling hook dia nanti aku tunjuk. And then he has this double expression, which we seen this a lot. It comes from the 2012 punya set kan. Maybe dah lama lagi, ni dah banyak kali dia reuse dia punya kepala ni. Jadi tu je lah pasal Batman. Nothing much to say. Next we're gonna see Selina Kyle. Well, she's brand new, Catwoman. She comes with this helmet and also a hair piece, interchangeable hair. And for accessory wise, she come with this chain right over here. And then she wearing this like Catwoman suit lah, Catwoman outfit. And she also have double expression, alternate expression. And that's it for the figure. Now we're gonna take a look at what they comes with, the building. So basically start off with the box. So you can open this and reveal it comes with two of this jewel, red color jewel. And that's basically it. And on top of this is a sticker. You can see fragile over there, fragile sticker over there. And then next we're gonna see the bat signal. So basically you can rotate this, and this bat signal also, the bat piece is a sticker. And then you have another Batarang. You get about 3 or 4 Batarang. And then there's the grappling gun for Batman. And also, oh, I forgot to mention, Batman also come with this hold on, this alternate Bruce Wayne face. So basically Batman comes with this alternate expression of Bruce Wayne, so you can choose whether to display him as Batman or as Bruce Wayne, which is nice. And also he come with this hairpiece, which is excited me. Okay, so next we're gonna take a look at the bike itself, starting off with the Catwoman bike. So basically it's just normal bike. I don't know what model bike is this, but it looks nice. Tapi aku punya waktu tu tak cukup piece, jadi aku reuse piece dia daripada set Avengers aku. Aku ada lagi satu set Avengers, but overall it's nice. The bike, you can put the figure over there, but I don't know whether she's sitting or she's standing up. Maybe you can try to sit her up, just like so. And yeah, but she won't stay. Maybe she will. No, she won't stay that much, but it's okay. Next up, the Batman Batcycle, and this is interesting me. I mean, for the handle they use the Batarang, and then all the headlights is sticker. As you can see, both of the headlights is sticker. Then there's the engine right over there. You got this big wheel, and then of course you can detach this and attach it just like so. And to put Batman inside, yes, it's a bit tricky though. It's a bit hard because dia sempit sikit ruangan dia untuk Batman masuk. Jadi especially with the cape, tapi boleh lah dia standing up. So basically he ride the motorcycle thingy like this lah. So overall that's it for the set. So where to get this? You can get this at any toy store like Toys R Us, or maybe box of bricks, or certified Lego store, and the price is around, like I said, RM 69.90 retail price. And oh yeah, before I forgot, it comes with 4 bags. 4 bags. Like, it comes with this box for the cape, and then it comes with sticker, of course, sticker piece, and of course it comes with additional piece in case you lost some of it. And this is the Selina Kyle hair, dan dia datang dengan 4 plastik macam ni lah, 2 untuk Batman dan 2 untuk Selina Kyle. Dan lepas tu kita ada, sorry lah, aku punya review ni aku campur bahasa Melayu bahasa English supaya senang orang faham. So basically it comes with these 2 what we call manual book, instruction booklet. Oh, dia terkoyak ke? It's okay. So this is the Selena Kyle booklet and this is the Batman booklet, and you can see the image of the what we call the building and the figure, and then we can see other sets that are sold. Here is our set, the Batman Batcycle Pursuit, and then we have this set, what we call Penguin Batmobile Pursuit, and then we have the Batcave set. But at that time at Toys R Us, I only saw these two lah, the Batcycle and the Batcave. Yang ni susah cari sikit lah, tapi dekat online ada, dekat Toy Store susah sikit nak cari sebab mungkin rare kot atau dah habis ke apa. Lagi apa nak cakap yang ni you can get around, like this one is around 100, yang ni 70 ringgit yang tadi, yang ni around 100 something, 130 macam tu, yang ni around 200 300, sebab with the set you get many figure, around 5 to 6 figure like that, and a decent amount lah, which is nice. It's cool. Kejap tengok ada tak dapat any code atau voucher untuk next purchase ke apa. Oh, tak ada. So basically that's it for my today's review. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.